In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Smartsheet to Excel. If you have data in Smartsheet and you need it in Excel, exporting is usually the fastest way to move everything over while keeping the information organized. In this tutorial, you will follow a simple sequence of clicks, and by the end, you will have an Excel file download ready to use. First, open your sheet. Make sure you are in the Smartsheet workspace where the specific sheet you want to export is located. When you select the correct sheet, you will be taken to the main view, where you can see your rows and columns. It helps to confirm that this is the right sheet before you proceed, because exporting will download the contents from the sheet you are currently viewing. Next, click File. Look for the File menu option near the top of the screen. This menu is where Smartsheet places actions related to exporting, sharing, and other file-level tasks. Once you click it, you should see a list of options appear. Take a moment to look at the options on screen so you can follow along without guessing. After that, click Export. The Export option is specifically designed for getting your Smartsheet data into formats that other tools can open. When you select Export, Smartsheet prepares the file for download based on your sheet. Depending on your view, you might see choices or formatting details, but the core idea stays the same. You are instructing Smartsheet to create an Excel-compatible version of your sheet. Then the sheets will download as 40. In most cases, Smartsheet will automatically create the export file and start the download immediately. The file type may show up as an Excel-related format, and you will typically see it begin downloading at the bottom of your browser or in your download folder. It is normal for the download to take a few seconds, especially if your sheet has many rows. While the download is happening, it is a good moment to keep an eye on where your browser saves files. If your browser has default settings, it will save to your standard downloads location. If you have changed your settings before, your browser might ask where to save. Either way, the key point is that you should end up with an exported file that is readable in Excel, often labeled with an ARTI or Excel-compatible name. Once the download finishes, you can open the exported Excel file to confirm everything looks correct. At this stage, review the layout, including the column headers and the data rows, to make sure the sheet came through the way you expected. If you notice anything that seems off, you can go back and repeat the export process from the original Smartsheet sheet using the same file and export steps. To summarize, you open your sheet first, then you click File, then you click Export, and finally the sheets will download as 40. That simple flow is designed to help you move your Smartsheet information into Excel with minimal effort and clear results. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.